Hello everyone! We are from 12 Science 3. My name is Karisma Nur Aziza.
I'm Rosa Dewi Kusdini.
I'm Putri Sarila.
And I am Adinda Fivani. Today we're gonna make a procedure video how to survive in the nature. Bye bye! Hello guys!
Today we have arrived at our fishing location.
And what we bring today?
First, we bring hook.
And the second, we bring fishing rod.
Bait for fish.
Let's go fishing! Bye bye!
First, we put the hook
On the fishing line. This for this, okay?
then hook the bait on the fishing hook. Let's go fishing!
I'm bored. How long we find the time for the fish?
I don't know, but the fish looks so tiny.
Oh my god, I think we in the wrong place.
Yes, we gotta move.
Let's go.
Two hours later.
We got the fish! We got the fish! Oh my god! Oh my
I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
Yes! Nature give us many food!
Look! Oh!
It's so yummy!
Yummy!
Meanwhile.
Wow! We got the fish again, guys.
Let's go home! Let's go cooking! Catfish, 3 garlic and onion, and some chilies. Add the ingredients and blend it.
Fried catfish and ready to be served.